Alright guys, here's a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to turn off typing sound in Samsung keyboard. So if while typing in your Samsung keyboard, you discover that the typing sound is as high as anything, and now you want to turn off the keyboard typing sound, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this, you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to turn off keyboard typing sound on Samsung, all you need to do is go ahead and open the Samsung phone settings. On the settings page, scroll down, locate and click on Sounds and Vibration. Once you selected that, scroll down the Sounds and Vibration page, locate System Sound and click on that. Now, once you click on System Sound, then locate Samsung keyboard and turn it off. So if Samsung keyboard is turned on, your Samsung typing sound will be enabled. Now to turn it off, just go ahead and disable Samsung keyboard sound, and then you're good to go. Now when next you're typing on your Samsung phone, you discover that you only feel the haptics of vibration without sound. So that's exactly how to turn off typing sound in Samsung phone. So if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.